Fuck the house.
Crab house. I hope there's no crab coming out. Crab, so scary.
Yeah.
If you find a crab, just put them in there. If you find a crab, put them in there. Whoa! Hey, I got sand in my hand. Hey, there's a crab! Is there a crab? Uncle, is there a crab? Go away. I'm a pirate. Oops, that's a crab. I don't know what's that. Whoa, that's seaweed. Whoa, Ankia, come and look at this hole. Yeah, seaweed. These holes so it cannot come out. Mama? I think I'm gonna dig this thing out. Dig. Ken, are you even digging? Whoa, look at this. I found something. Look. Look. What is this?
Oh, I see a crab.
Oh! Hey! Our bucket! That's the big ship! Okay, put in there. Whoa. I got inside. Give me back my soap. Yeah, that's one room.
What's that?
It's room. She tested a worm, guys. Hey, look, I got one crab. Dawson. I better look. I'm coming.
Let's see this.
Okay, put it in here. Put it in here. I don't have any crab.
Okay.
Another one. I want to get it. Looks like a sand castle.
Kaycee?
Put it in there.
Okay.
I will be down. I can just trip by myself.
What is that?
Yeah. You need to dig it deeper.
I'm trying as best as I can.
I can see a lot of crabs. Here.
Where? I'm gonna go catch it.
No. Kevin, Mina do. Spit out.
Mina do it, sweetheart.
Hadi ba, hidi. Apa di mana? Ba, dia perlu bicara. Ini di mana jalan? Banana.
Now it's Daddy's whole time. Later. Is it really big? Oh,
Kenapa?
I cannot see it. It's cause mommy and the baby.
What are you doing right now?
I'm digging a big hole for the crabs because I don't want to hurt them, and I'm sending them back home.
Oh, you're sending them back home.
Yeah,
Why do you want to send them back home?
because we don't want to hurt them, and they don't want to leave their home. I think this is enough. I'm gonna pour them in.
Okay. Let me see how you send your crabs back home.
Pour them in there. More crabs.
Hey, I can see them.
Yeah, I can see them. They're back in their home. Guys, look at those crabs. They're happy. Send them back. The crabs go back to home and have a nice sleep. Hey, pour your crabs in. I pour one out. Oh, you put them out? Yeah. Okay, I'll bury them now. I put one. I do the paper.
You're gonna say goodbye to them.
Goodbye, crabs. We hope you have a good sleep. Say goodbye to the crabs. Goodbye, crabs. Goodbye, crabs. I'm gonna go build my sandcastle now. Guys, do you like my video? If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, you can also click the thumbs up or the like bell. Bye, guys. Did you thought we end the video? We didn't end the video. We're just playing a joke with you.
So what are you going to do next?
We are gonna show a video.
So what are you going to show?
No, now we're done catching the crabs, right, Rachel? I mean, right, Ankia? I'll make it back to my home. Yeah, we put them back to their home, or they will be so sad. Nobody wants to leave their home except for the crabs. And
What do you feel today?
we feel happy.
So it's the best day ever for you?
Yeah, it's the best day ever. Put the pizza.
Do you want people to subscribe your channel?
Yeah.
So okay, how to say it?